Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing another Fete inspired makeup tutorial inspired by Trinidad and Tobago's Carnival. Also, this would be the last tutorial that's inspired by Trinidad and Tobago's Carnival until next year. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Changing it up a bit, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with this LA Girl Pro Primer, and it's a great primer, if I do say so myself. I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. My very dirty blending sponge, and it's only too dirty because I did my foundation and stuff with it just now. And I have a routine on how I do my foundation or my entire complexion makeup. So if you want to see how I do that, then just click the link down in the description bar. I'm going to use the Sasha Buttercup powder just to put under our eyes to catch any fallout. The trail.
I'm sure by now you guys knew this step was coming.
Today we'll be using the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe Brushes eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go into the shade right here. Just taking it on a blending brush, and we're going to blend that into the crease. You can take this color pretty high up. Pretty high. So by now you guys know we almost always go in with a second layer to build the color. So that's what we're going to do again. Nothing new over here. Nothing. Taking the shade Hunts on another blending brush. I absolutely love this color. And we're blending that into the crease as well, but we're not taking it as high up as we took that first color, Pupil. Going in with a second layer, and this time for the second layer I'm keeping my eye open as I look into the mirror, and I'm blending it out here. So you're keeping your eye open, looking forward at your mirror, and you're just blending right above the crease. I think I'm going to wash my brushes after this video because every brush that I use is dirty. Look at this. This is clean. So I'm taking my Coastal Scents BR250 brush and I'm blending that into the crease. So now for the crazy part. I'm gonna take that same LA Girl Pro Primer and a Real Techniques accent brush. Am I the only person who has like a select set of brushes that they always use, and then a ton that are just decoration.
So I'm going to carve out my lid. I'm going to start at the top. So since it's a stick formula, you could just carve out with brush and then do this. And take the brush to neaten it, obviously.
This eye primer is really great and it's affordable, very affordable. You could get it on Amazon or right here in Trinidad at Wonderful World, and it's the LA Girl Pro Primer Stick in the shade Nude. This shade right here, and I'm taking a Real Techniques shading brush. So we're just gonna pick that up and stamp it on the outer corner of our eyes like this. So there is fallout, but and remember, we want to press that in. We don't want to rub it in. And I'm going to take that same brush, some more product, and we're going to put it on the inner portion of our lid. Like so. Go back into that brush that we have the primer on with whatever leftover product is on it, and I'm just going to make sure that the line right here is defined. That's number 1 brush. I'm going to go into this gold shade right here.
So very carefully apply it to all the areas where we have that primer. And you want to start from, the simplest thing to do is start from the top, so you make sure you carve out the top here. And then just drag it down.
I'm taking my e.l.f. glitter primer and a shader brush. Okay, so we're going to pack that over the gold, but you see we have an actual defined line right there with the gold. We're not going to put any glitter glue there because we want that defined line to stay right there. So right under it. Press that glue right under it. So I'm going to do one eye. Hell no, I'm going to do both eyes one time. Go into this glitter from bulkglitter.com on a shader brush. Another shader brush, by the way. And the reason I'm using another shader brush and not the one with the glue is because I don't want like packed on glitter. I want it more dispersed. So I just lightly tap that brush into the glitter, tap off the excess. So I barely have anything, if you guys could see. And that is literally all I'll be pressing on my lid. So we dip it into the glitter, tap off any excess, and just press that on to the lid. Going back into the purple shade, and we're taking the lightest tap ever on that same Real Techniques shader brush, shading brush, and you're just gonna tap the edges of the glitter just to blend it, just to blend the glitter into the shadow. this one on an eye. You could use an eyeliner brush. On an eyeliner brush. This is actually an eyebrow brush, but it could work. And you're taking the slightest amount, slightest, and you're just ever so lightly gonna just define above the gold. I'm just gonna dust off my powder that I had there. I'm just taking this cream shade here, and like I said, this is from the BH Cosmetics and Cali by Bell palette. And I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone real quick. Just real quick. So for the lower lash line, we're gonna go back in with Pukey. And we're taking that on a blending brush. And we're just gonna blend out the lower lash line. And make sure to bring it all the way up to the crease.
I'm going to take the shade Hunts, which is this orange here. This one has me feeling happy. I'm going to do the same thing. Bring it, bring it.
And I'm going to take that same Real Techniques brush that we took the purple on, and I'm going to take the purple up again, and we're just going to put it on the outer lower lash line and the inner lower lash line, just as we did on our lid. You want to take that gold shade and you're going to put it to the middle and just repeat what we did before. Then I'm going to take some more of the e.l.f. glitter glue, and that same brush, and with the tip of that brush I'm going to just pick up the glitter glue, and as precisely as I can I'll apply it to the gold. Going back into that same glitter we used earlier, gotta dunk my brush into it gently, pick it up on the tip, and just press it into that area, and just press it into that area where we applied the glue. So now we're gonna highlight the inner corner of our eyelid, and for that, same one, which one? Picking up this shade right here, which is called Poolside, and I'm picking that up on a Coastal Scents #1 brush, and I'm giving it a spritz. 1 spritz, okay, 2, going to inner, and I'm going to highlight my inner tear duct with that. So I'm going to go off camera and apply some lashes, and I'm not going to use dramatic lashes today because I want all of this to show through. So I'm just going to use the Lash Xoxo lash in the style Venus Vibe. I line my lips with the Jante Blue. Lip liner in the shade Brown Sugar. And for lipstick, I'm using the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Ruffle Trim.
Milani lip gloss in the shade #1, and I'm actually going to clean most of that out of the brush and apply it right here. I take my finger and blend it in.
Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of yet another Carnival Fete makeup inspired tutorial. And remember, you don't have to be going to a Carnival Fete to wear this look, you could wear it anywhere. I personally would go to dinner with this makeup. And that also wraps up my Carnival Fete, I can't speak. And that also wraps up my Carnival Fete inspired makeup tutorial series in general until next year, of course. And I really hope you guys liked how this one turned out. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, as well as if you recreate this look, be sure to tag me on Instagram. My handle would be to the end of this video. It's Ariana Ara. Before you leave, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, and share this video with a friend. Also, I just want to say that if there's anything that you guys would like to request, feel free to do so via the comment section and I'd be more than happy to help. See you guys in the next one. Bye!